Good day everyone, we are Group 1 presenting the Lesson 1 of General Mathematics, the functions and relations. Here are some topics that we analyze in this presentation. First is functions. Next is domain and range. Then piecewise function. And last is vertical line test.
What is function? Function is an expression, rule or law that defines a relationship between one variable, the independent variable, and another variable, the dependent variable.
Let us know what is domain and range. Domain. The domain is all the possible inputs your function can handle. It's like the ingredients you can put into the machine. Range. The range is all the possible outputs your function can produce. It's what comes out of the machine.
How the function works. So, meron po tayo ditong set of ordered pairs which is f is equal to 1 and 2, 3 and 4, 5 and 6, 7 and 8. So, kukunin po natin yung 1, 3, 5, 7 at ilalagay yon sa domain which is ang x. At kukunin din natin yung 2, 4, 6, 8 at ilalagay natin yon sa range which is yung y. At pagdudugtungin po natin yon kung sino po yung mga katapat nila doon sa may ordered pairs. Ang tawag po dito sa gantong function is 1:1. Next is set of ordered pairs ng A. 1, 2, 1, 3, 1, 9, 2, 7, 2, 6. Magkakamukha ang x neto. Kaya ilalagay natin yan ng isa dito. Ganun din sa 2. At dito naman sa 2, 3, 9, 7, 6, ilalagay lang natin yan sa range which is sa y. Kung ano ang katabi nito, doon siya itatapat. Which is, tatlo ang naging katapat niya dahil tatlo rin ang nandito sa taas na kasama niya. Ganon din sa 2. Which is, itatawag natin itong not function dahil maraming tinapatan ang x sa y. Ang tinatawag itong 1:many. Next is set of ordered pairs ng B which is 2, 1, 3, 1, 5, 4, 8, 4, 9, 10. Ang ilalagay sa domain is ang x 2, 3, 5, 8, 9. At ang ilalagay sa range ay 1, 4, 10. Isa lang na number na kahit na doble yon dahil yun ang rule ng function. So sa domain, itatapat nila ito kung ano ang nakatabi nila. At tatawagin pa rin itong function dahil iisa lang ang napuntahan ng x papunta sa y which is itawag na many:1. So ang last na ordered pairs na meron tayo ay ang D is equal to 3, 5, 3, 6, 4, 5, 4, 7, 6, 6, 8, 7, 8, 9. So ang lahat ng x is ilalagay sa domain at ang lahat ng y ay ilalagay sa range. Itatapat yan kung ano ang nakatabi nila sa ordered pairs. Kapag ganito ang nangyari, marami silang napupuntahan sa kabilaan, ito ay not function at tatawagin nitong many:many.
And now, let us define piecewise function. A piecewise function is a function that is defined by two or more equations, where each equation applies to a certain interval over a specified domain. If you see the illustrations like this, it means it is an example of piecewise function. Example, given the piecewise defined function, f of x equals 3x plus 2 if x is greater than or equal to 0. Negative x squared plus 3 if x is less than 0. So, find f of 0 and f of negative 3. Since x equals 0, we use f of x equals 3x plus 2. So, kaya we use f of x equals 3x plus 2 kapag ang x ay greater than or equal to 0. So, simply substitute the value of x. F of 0 equals 3 of 0 plus 2 equals, and then solve na natin. 3 times 0 plus 2 and then equal to 2. And that's it. And then next natin is yung f of negative 3. So kapag negative 3 naman, ang gagamitin natin is f of x equals negative x squared plus 3 if x is less than 0. So kapag ang x is less than sa 0, ito yung pwede natin gamitin. So ganun lang din yung process, magsasubstitute tayo. Again, substitute natin yung negative 3 dun sa x. So, lagyan nyo ng parenthesis and then hiwalay pa yung negative sa labas. So, negative 3 times negative 3 is positive 9. So, magiging negative times positive minus negative 9 plus 3. So, the answer is negative 6. And so that for piecewise function for lesson 1. Thank you for watching.